Let's check out some epic crypto charts. First, check out this one related to Bitcoin supply demand mapped over time. So this top line is the Bitcoin supply that's going to be mined projected over time. You can see that every time there's a halving cycle, meaning these black lines, you can see the growth rate of Bitcoin supply on the market slows each time until it plateaus right over here. And so what we're seeing is, yes, the Bitcoin supply is coming online, but the most important point of this chart is that the illiquid supply, this black line, is outpacing the total Bitcoin mined. Illiquid supply is the amount of Bitcoin that's being hoarded, taken off the market, not sold, no plans to sell. We have entities, we have companies, we have countries picking up on this, storing it, taking it off the market. And so the more that happens, the closer that illiquid supply gets to the total supply line up here, the difference there, guys. Once that picks up, there's going to be less and less and less for people to buy, and the price has to rise when that happens as demand outstrips supply. That is how Bitcoin was designed. It's just absolutely massive to think about that, how the Bitcoin growth is slowing, but illiquid supply, what if that eventually just starts to take up more and more and more of the total Bitcoin price, just hoarded? That is huge. That is an extremely good reason to be bullish on Bitcoin long term. Now in the blockchain world, guys, the overall blockchain crypto world, check this chart out. The rise of stablecoins continues. So look at that growth. This is the total value of stablecoins topping 180 billion, more than double of April last year. So look at where it was in 2020 when Bitcoin had the massive pump, 2021, and it just keeps growing. And so stablecoins are, as you know, the assets that are pegged to like the US dollar or a currency. But these layer one blockchains we keep talking about are the ones that are powering these stablecoins. So to see growth like that, that's pretty much layer one blockchain demand growth. And so you have Terra Luna powering the UST token, Binance powering the BUSD token. And so this is just evidence that the crypto market is truly heating up and seeing exponential growth. So as the price goes down and diverges from the fundamentals, it's our opportunity, right? I keep saying that. Now check this one out, guys, related to Hedera Hashgraph. Cumulative NFTs minted on Hedera. That is also unbelievable growth. You can see from November of last year, it's literally skyrocketed the NFT volume on Hedera. That is good news for Hedera holders. There are so many high quality assets we absolutely have to talk about. One of them, ENS, guys. Look at this. I'll close on this. 4-digit ENS domains took Twitter by storm yesterday, catching fire and selling out in the span of 6 hours. So the floor price of an ENS domain, an Ethereum domain, I don't know if you guys have seen the .eth domain names. Those are now selling at around 0.25 Ethereum. And so the way I like to get exposure to Ethereum is through the ENS token, which governs these domain names. Demand is picking up. There is so much to talk about, guys. We'll get to it all.